Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, introducing the new Microsoft Edge browser available for download from January 15, 2020. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Click download. Click accept and download. Open downloaded file. Downloading Microsoft Edge started. Click close and continue. Closing Microsoft Edge. Installing Microsoft Edge started. On new Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.